Hi, so today I'm going to combine the KonMari method and spring cleaning with, I can't believe how I have so much crap in my drawer. I know the KonMari method says don't go by space, so this is just part of gathering up and I'm going to continue, but I just wanted to do a small segment because that's the patience I have, and combining Marie Kondo's KonMari method of decluttering with spring cleaning and just making my life a little bit easier in small increments. So if you're worried that the KonMari method is too much and too big for you, you can break it down into smaller pieces for dealing with anxiety or chronic pain, fatigue issues, or the worry that you're going to overload emotionally, mentally. You can do this. Give it a try. All right, so let's set our timer. Yes, 15 minutes. Got it? All right, let's go. Just going to go through this and see what I really still use and what I need, what I don't. Whatever's extra or overage, just kind of try to organize it better. Then can bring whatever I'm not using, either recycle, garbage, give away, and then continue with my drawer in the other room and all over the house of taking all my hair stuff that I use all over the house, in my purse. I have some in the car. I have some in my spare bedroom. A handy dandy screwdriver. Yes, that made sense. It was in the drawer. And the reason it was still there, because I still needed to put up my towel holder off of my countertop. I tried putting this divider in there to see if that was going to help my drawer space. It didn't. And you see there's more hair stuff all over. Yeah. And yes, obviously I have to do some spring cleaning, as in washing it out. So, decluttering, spring cleaning, regular cleaning, they're all different. This isn't exactly how I want this drawer to look, but since I'm going to put that back in after I declutter, I'm okay with it for now. And it's empty! Time to wash it. These are the items that I'm going to give away. The garbage or recycling. I've been using up my little samples. Instead of buying new, I'm just using up what I have. This one I never really liked. These are just all stretched out. Not useful. You know how it goes. This is from finally putting up my thing. Just so you know, this expires 2015. So this about when, yeah, I need to go through stuff. This is what belongs in another room with all my tools. I have a pile of extra hair stuff, but I'm only going to keep what I actually use on a regular basis in here. No, I don't use these all the time. I only need so much, you know, all the pinning. I don't use all this stuff all the time. So why is it in my bathroom? I don't know. Well, okay, so this is the drawer, and I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's see. I've kept some of my hair stuff. My beautiful little tie backs that I use once in a while. These little alligator clips that I use regularly. Use these all the time because I seem to have this beautiful fringe going all the time, so that has to leave after most days. These are the ones I don't use as regularly, but I do use them. These are the brushes I don't use all the time, and sometimes I use them, but not all the time. My regular brush every day, my hair stuff every day, my lip balm that I use regularly, like every day, because once you start moisturizing, you need to all the time. And then my makeup for when I do video if I'm having issues. And then I have my nail files because I don't have great nails anymore. I made a little container that's temporary to see if I am going to enjoy that and keep it. You know, found this little container throughout the house. Found the box that I put the brushes in. I'm happier with how it's going to be. I'm not done. You know, that was just the decluttering of that drawer. So I did decide what's garbage, what's recycling, and what doesn't belong here. You can see how that just makes a difference in my daily life. I can move those other items. I can figure out where they're going to go later. If I only have the patience or the time to do 15-20 minutes, you can still make a difference in a drawer. But I'm also doing the KonMari method because I am going to continue in collecting all of these similar items from throughout the house and make sure I'm only having what I need where I need it. And then decluttering to the point where it's logical. So it's spring cleaning and KonMari decluttering, and it's going to make my daily life a whole lot easier. And that's really why spark joy with what I have and the life that I want to live. So let's make your life easier, 20 minutes at a time, 5 minutes, or a whole spring fever session. I don't know. We'll see. But I do know that I need to continue decluttering because today's message was brought to you by, I can't believe that drawer is so annoying. Why do I got so much crap in there? Let's just clean it out.